Welcome to AutoVerse Global. Today we're exploring the all-new 2024 Luxury Sportline X, a perfect blend of style, comfort, and performance. Let's take a closer look at every detail of this premium vehicle. Starting with the front, the Sportline X features a sharp, bold grille and sleek LED headlights. The clean lines and glossy metallic white finish give it a commanding presence on the road. From the rear, you'll notice the glowing LED taillights and dual exhausts, giving the car a sporty yet elegant look. The reflections on the body add a premium touch. On the left side, the smooth, aerodynamic lines and alloy wheels create a sophisticated profile. Every detail has been crafted to enhance both performance and style. The right side mirrors the elegance of the left with the same glossy finish and perfectly designed wheels. The showroom lighting highlights every curve beautifully.
Want a review of your favorite car or truck? Contact us on WhatsApp at 0341 529 6955.
Step inside, and the Sportline X impresses with its luxurious black leather seats, modern dashboard, and advanced infotainment system. Ambient lighting adds a comfortable, premium feel to the cabin. Focusing on the driver's seat, the leather stitching, ergonomic design, and partially visible steering wheel make it a perfect place for both comfort and control.
The back seats offer plenty of space, luxurious leather, and soft ambient lighting, making every ride as comfortable as the front cabin. Finally, the steering wheel is designed for precision and comfort, with a detailed logo, functional buttons, and premium leather texture. The dashboard softly blurs behind, adding to the cinematic feel. That's the 2024 Luxury Sportline X in detail. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more premium car and truck reviews. Stay tuned to AutoVerse Global. If you want more information about this car or truck, message us on WhatsApp at 0341 529 6955.